Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use DocuSign in Google Docs. All right. For example, you have created a Google Doc right here, and then you will need a specific field to be signed, okay, or section to be signed. For example, in this section right here at the very bottom, okay, let's say, please sign below, like that, in this area, okay, just for example. But once that's done, go ahead and hit on File, Download, and download it as a PDF. Okay, you can download it as a Word, doesn't matter. Download, save it wherever you want, save. Now go ahead and go to your DocuSign account, and here just hit on Start. Okay, wait for it. Now upload your file from desktop right here, open, wait for it. Now, if you want someone to sign it, you can go ahead and enter the email address from here. And if it's only you that's going to sign it, just click on this tick box that says, I'm the only signer. Okay. If you want to, you can go ahead and change the email subject and email message. But if it's only you that's going to sign this, just leave it as is. Okay. Hit on sign, wait for it. Now go ahead and go to the very bottom. As you might remember, we have added the section right here. Now go ahead and add in the field signature, okay? Like so. Initial, if you want that as well, like that, okay? If you want your name, just drag and drop, like that. Email, company, if you want to as well, all right? That's basically how you do it. Just hit on finish. If you want to send it to yourself, you can go ahead and enter your own email right here. If you want to send it to someone, you can just go ahead and start typing the email right here. For example, I'm going to send it to this account, like so. Sent. It's finished. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up my second Gmail right here. As you can see, here's the signed document. That's how you use DocuSign in Google Docs. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.